Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Telegram chatbot using Telegram and ChatGPT. And it's going to be very simple to set up, so make sure you guys watch the whole entire thing because you don't want to miss any steps. And real quick, let me show you the functionalities of it. So if we open up Telegram right here, we have our own personal AI chatbot. And guys, to start, you want to go down here and press start. So now we start our chatbot, and I actually forgot to turn it on. So let's turn that on real quick. And the workflow should be activated now. And it said, hello, how can I assist you today? So now the chatbot works, and we'll be able to ask this chatbot anything we want, and it's going to be able to answer the question. So for example, let's just say, what is the healthiest food at McDonald's? Let's send that right now. Let's see what it says. It said McDonald's offers a few options that can be considered healthier compared to regular menu items. And here are all the options right here. We got the grilled chicken sandwich, the egg McMuffin, that was my favorite, the fruit and maple oatmeal, the Southwest grilled chicken salad, and the apple slices. And guys, our chatbot is so intelligent, it can answer any question we have about anything you want. So if you have anything work related or business related, it can answer any of those questions as well. And we're about to get to building, but if you guys want this template right here and you want to skip all the hard work of building it out, then press the first link in the description down below and join the Automators Today, which is my group working access to this template and all my other n8n workflow templates. So join today, guys, and now let's get to building. All right, guys, to start off, you're going to want to create a new workflow and then go to the top right and press these three buttons. Now press import from file, and we're going to import the Telegram chatbot file. So just double click to import it just like so. And now we got our Telegram chatbot that we're going to set up. And guys, the process of setting up is actually pretty easy. So I'm going to walk you through the whole entire process. I'm going to show you how everything works. So to start off right over here, this is where we process the Telegram request. So when I send a message or a voice message, it's going to realize it. And after it realizes it, it's going to turn it into text. And then it's going to send it over here to ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT is going to analyze what I said. And then it's going to spit it out into this AI agent. And then it's going to create the response message. And after it creates the response message, it's finally going to output it to the Telegram. And it's going to give us the response. And if you guys are wondering what prompt we use for the AI agent, let's just double click real quick and I'll show you. And the system message is, you're a personal assistant that helps users to fulfill their request. When you're asked to perform a task on the current date, please use the current date. And then we type now. So it uses the actual date. Now, if we scroll down the output, you should output the result and don't include any link. Just mention where you added it to. And that is our prompt for the AI agent, guys. And now I'm going to show you how to set this all up. So to start off, we got to set up the Telegram. So open up Telegram right here and then go to the top left and search for the bot folder. And now that we're in the bot folder, guys, you're going to want to type /new bot. And after typing this, we're going to start creating our own Telegram bot. And it says, all right, for a new bot, what are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it AI chatbot. Now it says, let's choose a username. So I'm just going to name it AI chatbot with a whole lot of numbers and then underscore bot. And guys, you could do underscore bot at the end or bot at the end. But the username must require bot at the end of the username. So enter that right now and send it over. And you should get an API key. So copy this API key right here. I'm probably going to have it blurred out. And guys, do not share this API key with anyone because if they get this key, they'll be able to literally hack your bot. So copy this key right now and then minimize Telegram. And I already have many accounts, but what we're going to do is go down here and press create new credentials and then paste your access token right in here. And I'm not going to paste it because I already have 5 accounts as I just showed you guys. But after you paste it, go up here and press save. And after you press save, double click on all these other Telegrams right here, just like so. And then it should automatically connect your account. We're just going to double click all these just like that. Then finally double click this one right here. Now this should all be connected. But after that, guys, we have to connect our ChatGPT as well. So go to this website called platform.openai.com. And after you go to that platform, go up here to the top right and press create new secret key. Once again, guys, do not share the secret key with anyone because if you share it, they'll be able to hack you and spend all your credits. And real quick, speaking about credits, we'll come back to this step in 1 second, but head over here to the left of billing and then press add to credit balance. And I'd say add $10 or so, but if you're doing this at scale, you may want to add a couple $100s. So add the credit balance, guys, and now head back to the API keys and then create the new secret key. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it AI chatbot. And after that, you want to select your project just like that. And you may have to create a new project if you don't already have one. So select your project, then create a new secret key. And now copy the secret key, guys, and go back to n8n, double click on all the ChatGPT ones, and then go up here and press create new credentials, and then paste in your API key right here. And after that, just press save, and then go up here and select your account. And now you successfully connect your ChatGPT. But then you want to go over to this one right here as well, and then connect your account too. And now everything is set up, guys. So let's go back to Telegram and let's find our bot. And then it should say /start at the bottom right here. So press that. And now you should have a working Telegram bot. So let's test it right now. Let's just say, what workflow should I make in n8n next? And by the way, guys, if you have any recommendations, make sure to comment them right now and I'll probably make it. So let's send that right now. Creating a workflow in n8n can depend on your specific needs and the systems you use. But here's some ideas. So we got a social media monitoring and posting. That was not even a bad idea. And we got a customer support automation. And that's not even a bad idea either. Honestly, I'm going to write that one down. And we got a data backup one that automatically saves the data. Then an email campaign one. Then a CRM. And then e-commerce and task management. And then content aggregation. And guys, we've successfully set up our chatbot. And once again, if you want this chatbot, you can join my group called the Automators down below in the first link in the description today. And you can get access to this workflow plus all my other workflows, guys. And if you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what workflow you want to see me build next. And then click click this video on the screen. And I'll see y'all later. Peace out.